Hi guys, this video is to promote Raw Sounds, which will be at Lake Kawana Community Centre on the 5th of April from 6 to 10:30.
So we went around today and looked at went to some of our sponsors and went up Mooloolaba Beach and got some Harlem Shakers, giving away some free tickets to the show. You can also get free tickets by inviting people and entering the competitions we have on the event page. Stay classy, Sunshine Coast, and this is what we got up to.
Con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.